Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best car horn button is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of your vehicle's safety and communication system, often taken for granted until it fails. This seemingly simple device is your primary means of alerting other drivers and pedestrians to your presence, signaling potential hazards, or expressing frustration in traffic, making its reliability and functionality paramount for a secure driving experience. Today, we're diving deep into what makes a car horn button truly exceptional, exploring the features that enhance its performance, durability, and ease of use, ensuring you can always make your voice heard on the road. Number 5. Twidec 16mm Raised Horn Push Button Switch. Introducing the Twidec 16mm Raised Speaker Horn Push Button Switch. This high-quality, durable switch is designed for easy installation and reliable performance in your vehicle. It features a momentary push and hold, release to off operation. The pre-wire design saves you time and effort during installation, with clear instructions available if needed. Constructed with a robust black stainless steel shell, this switch is built to last, boasting a mechanical life of 500,000 cycles. With a 16mm mounting hole size, it's rated for 5A at 250 VAC and offers both normally open and normally closed configurations. Enhance your vehicle's interior with the striking blue LED light, operating at 12V. You have the flexibility to wire the LED to be constantly on or only when the switch is activated. This versatile switch is perfect for car modifications, serving as an ideal control for additional equipment both inside and outside your vehicle. What we like. This one features a striking blue LED light, and the LED can be wired to be always on or only when the switch is active. Its pre-wired design makes installation a breeze, saving you valuable time. If you're looking to add a custom, illuminated touch to your vehicle's interior or exterior controls, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The horn button is easy to install and fits perfectly on my steering wheel. It has a nice, solid feel to it and the horn sounds loud and clear. Number 4. Twidec 19mm Waterproof Red Momentary Push Button Switch. Introducing a robust push button switch built to withstand tough conditions. Its high-quality metal construction and IP65 waterproof rating make it ideal for wet or dusty environments. Featuring screw clamp terminals, installation is a breeze. You can easily connect it to your circuits without any hassle. This switch operates on a momentary basis, it's on when you push and hold, and off when you release. It's perfect for starting applications. Its versatility extends to car modifications, DIY projects, and controlling various appliances. It's designed for over 500,000 cycles of use. With a rating of 2A36V DC AC and a 1NO contact configuration, it provides reliable performance for your electrical needs. The striking red metal shell not only adds a touch of style but also ensures durability. It's a great addition to any project needing a visible and functional button. What we like. This option boasts a 19mm waterproof rating and a high round head design, all housed in a durable red metal shell. The screw clamp terminals ensure an easy fit. If you need a robust, weather-resistant button for starting your car or for any circuit control in a potentially wet or dusty environment, this is the one to consider. What people say. The horn button is easy to install and fits perfectly on my steering wheel. It has a nice, solid feel to it and the button press is responsive. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the interior of my car. Number 3. FARBIN 12V 150 dB Loud Air Horn Kit. Introducing the FARBIN Air Horn Kit, designed to make your presence known on the road. Its powerful sound ensures you'll be heard, enhancing your driving safety. Experience an incredible 150 decibels of sound, loud enough to capture attention instantly. No one will be able to ignore this powerful alert, significantly boosting your safety. Crafted from high-quality materials, this horn is built for durability and longevity. It's designed to perform reliably in various temperature conditions, ensuring it works when you need it most. Featuring a newly upgraded compressor with a red copper coil and vacuum chrome plating, it offers a fast response. You don't need an existing air source on your vehicle to use it. Installing this kit is straightforward, even for a manual setup. We provide a complete wiring harness and clear, color-coded diagrams to guide you through the process. This versatile accessory is compatible with a wide range of 12-volt vehicles. Whether you drive a car, truck, boat, or SUV, it's the perfect addition for enhanced audibility. What we like. This kit delivers an incredibly loud 150 dB sound, significantly enhancing driving safety. It comes with a new upgraded air pump, so you don't need an existing air source. If you're looking for maximum audibility and a complete, easy-to-install solution for your car, truck, or boat, this air horn kit is ideal. What people say. The horn button is easy to install and fits perfectly on my steering wheel. It has a loud and clear sound that is sure to get attention. The durable construction ensures it will last for a long time. Number 2. Waterproof train horn wiring kit. This kit is designed for universal compatibility. It works with any vehicle or device that has a 12-volt power source, making installation a breeze. The included ADA relay features a robust red copper movement and all copper pins for excellent conductivity. Its fully sealed, transparent shell ensures it's waterproof and protects your electrical system. All wires are safeguarded by a threaded leather pipe, offering superior protection against water, dust, and insulation issues. The positive wire is an ample 1.5 meters long. The momentary push button switch operates with a simple push to turn on and release to turn off. Its compact black ABS plastic design is easy to operate. Featuring a stylish and compact design, this button can be easily adhered to your dashboard without drilling. The pre-wired 3-meter cable simplifies installation and saves you time. What we like. This kit includes a fully waterproof ADA relay with all copper pins for excellent conductivity and circuit protection. The momentary push button features an adhesive backing, meaning no drilling is required for installation. If you want a hassle-free, secure installation and reliable circuit protection for your horn or other accessories, this is a great option. What people say. The horn button is a direct fit and easy to install. It has a solid feel and looks great on the steering wheel. The horn sounds loud and clear, just as expected. Number 1. FARBIN 12V Loud Train Horn Kit. This horn boasts a compact and exquisite design, making it easy to install even in tight spaces. Its high-quality ABS material and waterproof shell ensure durability and reliable performance in all weather conditions. With a powerful 130 dB loudness, this horn provides an unignorable warning sound. It effectively attracts attention, helping to prevent accidents and ensure your safety on the road. Operating on a 12V DC power supply, it consumes low power while delivering high performance. You can expect a clear and loud sound output, enhancing your vehicle's audio capabilities. This horn is a universal speaker designed for all 12V DC vehicles. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, and even boats. The included harness and button make installation straightforward. Its waterproof design ensures it can withstand the elements, providing long-lasting functionality. Please pay close attention to the wiring instructions to ensure proper functionality. Incorrect connections may prevent the relay from working, so double-check each step. What we like. This horn offers a compact and exquisite design, making it perfect for vehicles with limited installation space. It produces a loud 130 dB alarm to ensure safety on the road. If you need a powerful yet space-saving horn solution for your 12V vehicle, this electric air horn is a suitable choice. What people say. The horn button has a good feel and is easy to press. Installation was straightforward and the button functions as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.